In front of me is NUBIA Focus 2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called OS Launcher from Launcher Studio Developer. Not sponsored, by the way. This one. When your app is ready, you don't have to launch it. You need to exit Play Store and go into Settings. Now scroll to hit Apps. Then hit Default Apps and tap on one of those sections called Home App. After clicking on it, you will see your downloaded app. In this case, it's called Launcher Pro. Tap on it, hit Allow All in the pop-up, and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. To make any changes, you can always enter Launcher app and go through the tutorial to enable cool features and also manage all available options, like for example, picking iPhone wallpaper. If you wanna go back to your current launcher, hit System Launcher in the same settings and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!